This is especially for the beginners. And what we are doing here is relevant to any kind of subject matter expertise that you have. You could be a school teacher teaching subjects, math, physics, bio. You could be a college professor teaching accounts, okay? Or you could be someone who is a professional expert, like we have a lawyer, right? We have a sales expert, right? We have life coaches, we have spiritual coaches. So this model is valid for anyone who has a knowledge, who has some kind of subject matter expertise. You have valuable knowledge and insights from life to share. It's time to not only convert your knowledge into a monetizable business model, it is also time for you to leave your legacy on this planet via your knowledge. Because whether you are there or not there on this planet, what you have digitized will exist forever. And especially if you are in subjects like astrology, numerology, math, Vedic math, right, physics, bio, life, right, meditation, yoga, you know, these things are evergreen, right? So only things like if somebody is only in digital marketing, now tools are changing, so that does not become evergreen, but it will have a lifespan. Everything has a shelf life, an expiry date, but certain things are evergreen. Only the context in which we teach changes with examples in trend with that timeline, right? And I hope every day your challenges are changing a little bit, right? You're getting skilled little bit, step by step, right? As much as you are ready to absorb and apply, right? So this is the game of life. The moment you upgrade, see, challenges fulfilled is equal to challenges upgraded, right? Challenges fulfilled at the current level is challenges upgraded to the next level. Your challenges will keep evolving. We have some people who don't know anything about how their knowledge could be monetizable. There are people in this group who already have created online courses but are not able to generate leads or sell their offering, right? So everyone is at a different stage in their journey, and I'm trying to cover everything that matters for your growth, whether it is you are a novice, a beginner, or you are intermediate pro kind of a stuff, or even if you have been in the training industry for many years and struggling to fulfill your revenue potential and get what you truly deserve. So because we are getting your foundations right, so I am not doing any theory classes. I'm doing, see, in school, when we were in school, we studied like seventh, eighth, until seventh or eighth grade, we never had practicals, right? So what I am teaching is not theory. It's not theoretical concepts. It is, these are experiential learnings and insights that you can apply almost immediately if you are ready to do it, right? So I hope you have now identified your true challenges, genuine challenges, and you know what to do to move forward with those challenges, right? Then we looked at shifting gears, which is change of game plan. So here I have to say that सारा शहर मुझे लायन के नाम से जानता है. That era is over. अगर आपको सारा शहर लायन के नाम से जानता है और ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड में कोई आपको नहीं जानता है, वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में विच इज गोइंग ग्रोइंग मोर पावरफुल देन द रियल वर्ल्ड, देन कोई आपको नहीं जानता. यू आर अ नोबडी on the online world if you don't have an online presence, a powerful, credible online presence. भले ही सारा शहर आपको लायन के नाम से जानता हो, उधर आपको कोई नहीं जानता, आपके बिजनेस को कोई नहीं जानता, आपके एग्जिस्टेंस को कोई नहीं जानता. So to tell the world you exist, hello, I exist, you have to build your highly credible online presence, right? And it's time to build your mega credibility online. What is mega credibility? Becoming the Amitabh Bachchan of whatever you do, becoming the Sanjeev Kapoor of whatever you do, becoming the Roger Federer of whatever you do, becoming a Virat Kohli of whatever you do. That's called building mega credibility. And do you think building credibility happens overnight? There is a preparedness, right? There is a preparedness. You know, success is nothing but your preparedness meeting opportunity at the right time. How many years do you think Amitabh Bachchan had given to build his mega credibility? 30, 40 years? Then there were time when people have built their credibility in 20 to 10 years. You know, that time is shrinking with the power of internet, digital tools and systems. People can build their mega credibility in 2 to 3 years. And it is possible to build in just 1 year with the content bank that we have done yesterday. If you are putting your efforts in right direction is important. See, a lot of people are doing things, taking actions, but they're moving in the circular direction or the horizontal direction. But the direction of growth is this, no, upward direction, upward vertical direction. Next orbit is upward only. The challenge is people are moving. Some people, my challenge is I really want to help people who are action takers. They are moving, they are putting effort, they are doing things right, but in wrong direction. So they're getting exhausted, tired, don't know how to generate lead, don't know how to sell. It's a matter of right direction with right mentoring and consulting, taking consulting services that truly can shift you upward to next orbit of your growth, right? For that, it is important that you identify your GPS. What is your GPS anchor, right? So for that, you need to become a problem solver and solve those problems that you are passionate about, right? So why passion, right? Since the time you were given a form inside your mother's womb, what is that is continuously beating all the time, tirelessly? What is that which is beating within you tirelessly all the time? Can I have some responses? What is it within you that is beating all the time tirelessly? And what is it that gets tired in your physical being? Heart. Thank you, Manjusha ji. Superb. Bang on, 100% right. So your passion comes from your heart. And that is why you can tirelessly do what you love doing. Your mind gets tired. There is mind fog, mind fatigue. Your physical body gets tired. But whatever you're passionate about, you figure out ways to do that. You don't, even if you're exhausted, you're willing to do, somebody comes for an advice, you'll forget everything and you start helping them because you love doing that, right? So the problem that you should be solving in the market, which you can sustain for a long time, is where you are passionate about. Now we looked at the potential. Now what problem to solve, right? Where people there is a huge potential and people should be willing to pay money to you.